Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to set up DeFi wallet in 5 minutes. Now, this is xDefi wallet. Now, first of all, go to xdefi.io, click on install, make sure to go and add this to your Google Chrome, right? Then once you added this to your Google Chrome, click on it right here, and here click on Let's Get Started. Now here it's DeFi onboarding. Here you can create your DeFi wallet. Obviously we can also connect a hardware wallet as well. Now we can go here, create DeFi wallet, and here we can create a new DeFi wallet password. So let's do just that. So we'll create it right here. And then we can click next. And then here, as you can see, is our secret phrase. Now this we have to basically copy here. We can copy it. We can click next here. And right now we'll have to go and use our notepad right here. And we can paste this to our obviously notepad. And then we'll see which one is which. So the first word is going to be this one. The second word is going to be this one. The third word is going to be this one and this one. And then we can click next. And then here we can enter a name, right? So building solutions, you click next. And then we'll have to wait just a little bit. And here, as you can see, make xDefi your default browser wallet. Now this is, not really, I wouldn't really recommend, but you can do it if you want and turn it on. Now, as you can see, by turning this option on xDefi will take priority over other wallet extensions, which is MetaMask and Terra Station. So we can just click next, and then right now it's done. And as you can see, if we go back to our here, we can exit it out. We can go here to our DeFi wallet. Welcome to xDefi wallet. Then we can click X, and here we have our DeFi wallet set up, and we can go and use this wallet currently. Now, this is basically how to set your DeFi wallet under 3 minutes, not even 5 minutes, for absolutely free, obviously. Now, if you have any questions, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.